Hello everyone and welcome back. So today we are showing you some extra pads for your TENS massager unit. So you can get these extra pads for your unit as well. They're everywhere on Amazon. All you got to do is just search their name. It's AUVON, and then you can get the TENS massager. But these are just extras. That way you have more. Let's go ahead and take them out of the pouch and show you what they look like. So these are the long ones. You get 4 per bag. So a total of 8 here. So these are the extra long pads. And these help for bigger areas like your thighs or your calf muscle, on your back. And they work just the same as all your other TENS pads, so you just plug in your cables as needed. So it's good to have extras just in case one goes out.